press the subscribe and bell icon to get notified about the latest content.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Desi Diva family. I'm Tanushree and hope you're all doing well. A few weeks back I actually bought few dresses from URBANIC. In one of my previous video I have done unboxing of those dresses as well as I have shared the price of the same. Now today I am going to show you a try and haul for all those dresses. I hope you will love it. लवलीज आई होप आपको ये ट्राई ऑन हॉल पसंद आया और अगर आपको ये हॉल पसंद आया सो प्लीज़ गिव दिस वीडियो अ थम्स अप. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon with which you will get the notification of all my upcoming videos. So I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.